Hey yo, what's happening guys? Driving through West Wales on the M4 here to Llanelli. Doesn't get more Welsh than this, and I'm about to do a little extended bit in Welsh for the first time. Pwlfawr, dabochi. Oi, so here I am at tonight's gig, Llangennech Rugby Club. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds pretty damn busy up there. You're either going to go one way or the other. Complete wall of silence, 120 people is really going to hurt, but that's not going to happen. Let's go and see how it goes, folks. Come on. Gotta think positive, see guys? That's the way this thing works. Croeso i'r recorder sy'n meditatio yma. Pwysio lawr. Thought I'd finish this little video entry. The Welsh went okay, but needs a little bit of practice, a little bit rusty. 2 applause breaks during my set, that's pretty damn good. So 120 people, all smashing it up, all loving it, all having a good night. Loved it. No star all.